I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad, Uppal.
Okay, Telugu cha.
వచ్చండి.
Okay,
నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఇప్పుడు ఉప్పల్లోనే ఉన్నాను అనమాట.
okay, it's okay, fine. Yeah,
మీరు?
నేను యాక్చువల్లీ బెంగళూరు, కాకపోతే నా ప్రాపర్ వచ్చి ఆంధ్ర, కడప
ఓకే.
డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ తెలుసు, కడప.
తెలుసు తెలుసు.
Yeah, yeah.
ఓకే.
But
మీరు
నేను
ఎక్కడ
జాబ్
చేస్తారండి ఇప్పుడు జాబ్ ఇప్పుడు?
నేను మోర్గన్ స్టాన్లీలో చేస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే. సో బెంగళూరులో సెటిల్డా?
8 years నుంచి ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా.
ఓకే ఓకే. మా
సో
కంపెనీ కూడా ఉందండి బెంగళూరులో, కొత్తగా రీసెంట్లీ ఓపెన్ చేసిన.
ఏంటండి, ఏం కంపెనీ?
ఐట్రాన్ అని.
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సంబంధించిందా లేకపోతే?
యాక్చువల్లీ ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీ, బట్ R&D ఓపెన్ చేసిన అనమాట బెంగళూరులో.
ఓకే ఓకే.
Hi, hi.
So I'm getting some background noise.
Yeah,
Fine, it's okay. Well, can you introduce yourself for a brief introduction for just 2-3 lines? Mohan? Hello?
hi Anil.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself? What is your background?
Yeah, I'm actually a cyber security analyst.
Okay.
Well, basically, I'm just I've got a various mixed background of business objects reporting I've done, and
Okay.
I've done some Excel VBA programming as well. So now,
Okay.
after business, then I have done some EPO reporting using a business objects tool. Now I want to
Okay.
move to Tableau, so which is I think quite fastly growing market for Tableau, right? In everywhere. So some
Yes.
visualization tool, all that. So when it comes to the big data, a lot of people speaking about
Yes,
Tableau.
yes.
So
Yeah.
that's the reason why I was interested in learning Tableau for my, yeah, maybe hopefully maybe next job what I'll be doing is Tableau reporting. But yeah, that's why I was looking for online training.
Okay, then. It's great. Thank you. Okay, Bhupal, I will start the session now. Bhupal and Mohan.
ఓకే.
Okay.
Yeah. See, when you say Tableau is a BI tool. Okay, it's a reporting tool. It's a front-end application, and it is very easy to learn. And why I'm saying very easy to learn means comparing to other BI tools like OBAE, Spotfire, ClickView. The Tableau is one of the now fastest growing tool in market is Tableau, and it's very easy to learn. It's a simple drag and drop options, but you should have some basic SQL knowledge. You should have some basic SQL knowledge on this. Why? Because we need to write some case statements, if statements, and we need to use some functions in Tableau. Okay. And now see Tableau means once we create a report, we call it as a dashboards. Okay. I'll show you everything in a live. I'll open the Tableau now. See, in Tableau we can bring data in 2 ways. See, for example, I want to build a report. A report means I need some data, right? By getting the data only, I can build a Tableau report. So that data we can bring in 2 ways. One is through flat file, either it may be Excel, comma separated, PD, anything, any flat file you can connect to Tableau and you can build the Tableau reports. In second way, it's a database. When I say a database, it may be a structured or unstructured data. Means it may be SQL, it may be Oracle, it may be a SQL Server, maybe SAP HANA, maybe big data. Tableau will support 42 databases. So Tableau can connect in 2 ways. Data we can bring in 2 ways, either flat file or database. Understood, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, now see, what is this live connect and then extract? I'll tell you. See, I will show you. I'll show you in live. Let me open this so that you can understand. See,
And
we'll
somebody
be
is recording this, right? Quickly.
yeah, training desk is recording this. The session is being recorded. They will send you the link so that you
Okay.
can
Okay. So, yeah.
convert it and you can use that link. Let me open this. I'll show you in live so that you can easily understand what is a database, what is a flat file. See, today we will connect to Global Superstore. Global Superstore is there, right? Here.
Yeah.
So this is a flat file. So when you are in a project, if you want to build a Tableau report, for example, we need to bring outside data into Tableau, right? Tableau won't get any data, right? Just we'll be installing the Tableau. So Tableau won't be having any data. We need to get the data from outside, either client's data or user's data. Okay. For example, this is a flat file. They are asking us to build a Tableau report. Hey Bhupal, I'm sending this flat file to you. Here in this flat file, we have three tabs: orders, returns, and people. In these three tabs, just use only orders tab and build a Tableau report. Okay, like this, we will be getting a requirement. So as this is a flat file, so see, you can see here, see, just I double click, I opened this. I installed this Tableau 10.1 here. Just I double click. So like this, it will open. So you can see here, see, I told you, right? We can connect in two ways, either flat files or either databases. I told you, right? These are all the flat files, Excel, text file, PDF, anything. So if your file is Excel, then select Excel. If your file is text file, you select text. If you don't know what file it is, just go to more option. See here, more is there, right? If you click on more, any type of file you can see here. Okay. Now I save this global superstore in my desktop. So I am connecting to this desk. See, this is the global superstore, right? This is the one which I have opened the Excel sheet, which I have three tabs: orders, returns, and peoples. So now I need to build a Tableau report based on orders data. Now I need to bring this order data into Tableau. So now I am connecting to, see again, just click on more and select this flat file. Now I am selecting this flat file. Now I am bringing this data into Tableau. See now, see in this Excel sheet we will be having three tabs, right? Orders, returns, and people. In Tableau also you are seeing the three tabs, right? Orders, people, returns. Now I need to build a report based on orders. So drag this order and drop it here. So this is the data. So this entire thing is called creating a data source. You can see here data source, right?
Yeah.
You're seeing my cursor. So see, this entire thing is called one workbook. In a workbook, we'll be having data source, sheets, dashboards, story points. I'll tell you this. First, we'll see this. What is a data source? Data source is nothing but source from where you are getting the data, right? See, from where I got this? I got this from Excel sheet, right? If you see here, it is a flat file. You're seeing here, right? Excel, Global Superstore. So this is the Excel sheet. This sheet I am bringing into Tableau. So this is called a data source. Creating a data source is nothing but bringing data into Tableau. So if you want to create a report, you should have some data, right? So we are creating this. With this data, we'll be creating the report. So this C. You can change the data source name. You can change only orders data. Hi Madhavi. I think Madhavi joined. You can speak, Madhavi. Hello.
Madhavi, please select computer audio in audio settings. I think she's.
I'm not able to hear my voice. Okay.
Can't hear you. Hello, Madhavi? Is it clear now?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, yes, I can hear now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, hi Madhavi.
Yeah, hi. Hello?
Yeah, Madhavi. Just
Yes. Yeah.
let
Is the session started
me,
already? Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go back and I'll tell you once again. Okay,
Okay,
it's
thank
nothing.
you.
See, Tableau means, see, we need to create a reports in Tableau, right?
Okay, yeah.
To create a reports in Tableau, we should have some data, any data. It may be users sending to our data or whatever data it may be. So in Tableau, we'll be connecting to two ways. We'll bring data into two ways. One is through flat file, another one is through databases. When I say a flat file, any type of flat file, comma separated, Excel, text, anything, any flat file you can connect and we'll bring the data into Tableau. The second way is database. When I say database, Tableau will support 42 databases like Oracle, SQL Server, SAP HANA,
Okay.
vector-wise, PostgreSQL. Okay, like this, we will be having 42 databases. Tableau will support all those 42 databases. 1 second.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. So Tableau will support all these things. Now what I'm showing means, see, just 1 second. Hello?
Yes, yeah. I'm here.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, see, I'll show you. See, now I'm connecting to I want to connect a data through flat file. So this is one Excel sheet, okay?
Okay.
Here, I have orders, returns, and people. 3 tabs I'm having.
Okay.
Now I want to build a Tableau report based on this data, orders data. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this file name is Global Superstore. So I need to bring this data into Tableau, right?
Yeah.
As this is a flat file. So how we will bring this flat file, we'll see now. So let me open this Tableau 10 version, 10.1.
Okay.
And you can see here, see, connect. In 2 ways I can connect, through a flat file or through to the database.
Okay.
Okay. Now a flat file. If your file is Excel, go and select Excel. If your file is text file, you can go and select text file. Or you don't know what file it is, just go to more option. You'll be finding any type of file you can see here in more. So now my global superstore I saved in my desktop. So here it is there. So select this global superstore. See here I have 3 tabs, right? Orders, returns, people in this global superstore Excel sheet. You can see the same here. See orders, people, returns. Now this entire thing is called one workbook. Tableau workbook. You can see here, right? Tableau-book. So this entire part is called one workbook. Here, this tab is data source. Data source is nothing but bringing the data into Tableau.
Okay.
Outside data. Actually, this is outside data, right? This is
Yeah.
flat file. So I need to bring this data into Tableau.
Okay.
So this is called data source. Bringing the data is nothing but creating a data source. Means source, where you are getting, from where you are getting. I'm getting through from Excel. You can see
Okay.
here, Global Superstore, Excel.
Okay.
Have 3 tabs. Now drag this order and drop it here.
Okay.
And here we can see all the data which are, you can see here, right? Row ID, order date, ship mode, everything. Everything you can see here. See, row ID, order ID, all the data you'll be seeing here. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what is this? This is called preview data. Means it's a preview. If you want to see, if we have 10,000 records, means it will show only 1,000 records here, just for preview purpose.
Okay.
And what is this? This is called manage metadata. If you go here, it will tell you row ID, from which table it is coming from, and what is the remote field name. Remote field name is nothing but this Excel column name, row ID, right? Row
Okay.
ID, order date. These columns are called Excels. These Excel columns are called remote field name.
So there is a particular data which we are bringing from. Yeah. This is a remote field
Yeah.
name. Yeah. Okay.
No. Already we bought this, and the column names of the Excel sheet is called as remote field
Remote
names.
field name. Okay. Got it. Yeah, okay.
What is this field name means? This is how you are going to see in Tableau. This
Okay.
is Tableau version. See, now here row ID is there. Now I want to change everything into capital letters.
Mm-hmm.
How I want to see this column in Tableau? You can change here itself. You can see,
Okay.
have a rename option, have copy values, hide. And these I will tell you later. These are all.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
If you want to rename, you can rename. See, now I'm changing to row ID, everything in a caps.
Okay.
This row ID belongs to Excel sheet, Excel's column name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And how you want to see in Tableau this column. So the same column I want to see in everything in a capital. So I can change it here itself. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you can leave it. You can change in here itself. In sheet. If you want to change, you can change here.
Only we can edit here, I think. Yeah.
You can delete out.
Rename. Rename. Okay. Mm-hmm.
And if you describe this, it will tell you from which table it is coming from and everything about that column. This column is coming from orders. From orders only, right? We dragged orders. So you can see here orders, order ID. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now we created a data source. Now data source has been created. If you want to change the name, you can change the data source name. I want only orders means delete this, keep only orders. And now see, once we create a data source, a live connect extract, I'll tell you. Now go to sheet. Now orange color sheet is blinking, right? It is showing, right? So go to sheet.
Okay.
So this is a Tableau we need to work. Okay. If you see here, what the data source name we gave orders, right? This is called a data source. A data source icon will be like this, a white color cylindrical shape.
Okay.
So this is called data source. Data source is nothing but you'll be having data in that.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all dimensions and measures. By default, Tableau will segregate into 2, dimensions and measures.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I didn't do anything, right? Just Tableau itself with the dimensions and measures. If we see a row ID, we change it there, right? Everything into capital letters.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See here.
Yeah.
You are seeing, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Here itself we can change, no problem. Either there or here. You can rename it and you can change here itself everything into caps, whatever you want.
Okay.
So, and if you observe for each and every field, there will be one icon for category, ABC, city. I'll show you, see.
Mm-hmm.
See, for ABC means text values, calendar means date values, calendar with time means date and time values, hash means numerical value, true or false means boolean. If you are having a globe means it's geographic values. Okay. You can see here, right? Dimensions and measures. We can change a measure into a dimension or a dimension into a measure. So now I want to change this order ID to measure. You can change, convert to measure. Now this already sit here, right? Now you got, right? See, this dimension is sitting into this. Okay, I don't confuse you now. But first you understood, right? What is
Yeah.
the how to create a data source with a flat file? Means bringing a flat file data into Tableau. Gopal, Mohan, Madhuri, understood?
Yes.
Any doubts here?
No, it's clear. Thank you.
Yeah, I can show it in my PPT, but if I show it here means lively so that we can understand easily, right?
Okay,
Even,
okay.
but demonstration showing in a PPTs, I won't like that. Why? Because nobody will follow that. If I show in a live mode only, you can easily understand that.
Yeah, that's true.
That's why I'm not using this PPT. PPT means just I'll tell you, you can't understand, right?
Okay, okay.
That's why I open Tableau and I'm telling this. So now you understood, right? What is a flat file and how we bring the outside data into Tableau. If you want to check again, if you want to go to data source means you can select this data source. Again, we'll be going here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Mohan, any doubts?
No, I'm okay, Anil. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So we have a second option again. So through flat file we can connect, and through database. How we will connect through database and what all the joins will be having. See, I'll tell you. So like this, I can connect up to 10 or 11 data sources. I can go here and I can create another new data source. Now, all this data source is there, right? Now I'll go to data and go to new data source. When I go to new data source, again I'll connect. I'll come to the starting page like connect. So these are all my databases. See, 42 databases Tableau will support. These are all databases: SQL, Oracle, SQL Server, SAP HANA, Vectorwise, PostgreSQL, Big Data. These are all the databases.
Okay, okay.
When you are in a project, you know, right? What is the database means? Oracle.
Yeah, I know. I have a knowledge in Oracle and SQL queries little bit. And do we have to know like each and every like databases knowledge, like the big data and all? Is it necessary?
Yes, based on your project. If your project is supporting big data means you need to know big data. If your project is supporting Oracle means you need to go with Oracle. But everything is same, but a slight difference will be there. Some functions. We'll go and create a new data source here. Now, for example, if you are in a project will supporting any on database. So assume that now we have access for Microsoft SQL Server. Click Microsoft SQL Server. Let me take the password. I'm not sharing the screen now. Yeah, you will be giving all the credentials. If you are in a project and you want to connect to SQL Server, everything means all these credentials will be given to you. Okay.
Okay.
And now you connect to database. Which database? SQL Server, right?
Yeah.
Sign into SQL Server. I think it is taking some time. Then why it's taking so much time?
Ravi, one question on this one. So when
Yeah.
you try to connect to database, does it need to be on the same intranet, or it could be anywhere located? Just you need a the IP server and the username and
Yeah.
password.
Anywhere it will be. No need of in your local machine.
No, it can be
Just
anywhere.
yeah, can be anywhere.
Hmm.
You'll be having that ODC drivers, right? That it should be there. Should be there.
Okay.
I don't know why it is taking this much time.
Is it running? Is your database up and running?
No, let me cancel it again. Let me check on this. So in SQL.
Any issue?
No. Server is entirely different.
No, but when you make connection to the external server, does it log somewhere in a log file saying that it is trying to connect to this server, but there is an issue?
If you get any issue, it will show. Yeah, it will show. Let me connect once again. Why? Because if it connects means I can show you. Basically, Tableau SQL Server. Sign in. Shit.
Can you connect with your management studio on the SQL server?
Sorry?
Can you connect with your SQL Server Management Studio on the SQL Server?
Yeah, this one only, right?
No. The Management Studio. Where is this SQL Server sitting?
This is not in my machine.
Oh, you
It's
don't
not
have
in my
access
machine.
to the
Yeah.
server.
Yeah. Basically, if you come, let me try it in Tableau 9. Shit. Check
Unable
that the
to
server is running and you have access to list. Okay.
I think you can do one thing. Maybe you can take that server and try to ping it if it is reachable.
No. I actually, let me tell you one thing. Once again. Let me take that server. If it connects means I can show you how the tables real time I can show you. That's why. Okay, the server itself is not working. There's a problem with server. Okay, then I'll tell you, see, how the table joins will be. The same what I showed you previously. Let us go back to our original. See, here I created a data source, right? The same way, you will find, once I connected to database, you will find here schema. We need to select the schema name. After selecting the schema name, like this, we will be having tables, n number under the schema. If we have 50 tables, means you will be getting all 50.
Can't see the screen actually.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
See, now I created on data source, right, through flat file. Okay. Now, how, if you connect to database and how data source will be created, the same step, same process. See, once we connect it to database, we will be having one schema here. There will be a list of schemas. If I want to go and select any particular schema, means I'll select the schema. Under that schema, I'll be having so many tables, right? For example, if you have 50 tables, means you'll be having 50 tables. From that 50 tables, I need to create, I got a requirement like I need to create a report based on 3 tables. Assume that 3 tables. So I need to drag all 3 tables, right? That's how we'll do join in Tableau, right? See?
Yeah.
Now,
Can you
orders I
share
have.
the screen, please? I can't see anything.
Sorry?
Just I can't see anything. Like, could you share the screen?
I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, so I can't see anything.
Server also it's not working.
Okay.
You're not able to see my screen?
No, I'm not able to see any screen actually. So
I can
see your screen, Anil.
Now? Now, Madhavi, are you able to see my screen?
no.
I'm able to see your screen, Anil. Maybe Madhavi's network issue, maybe. My side is clear.
Is also from UK, but currently is staying in India. Again, I think within 1 week or 2 weeks he's back to UK.
All right. Okay. How much you're charging for this online training, Anil?
No, you should speak with Suman. Suman regarding this. All this you can speak with Suman.
Okay.
Yeah, Mohan.
So it's maybe a problem with from my side. You can carry on, so I can hear. No problem. It's demo, no? So I think the problem is with my system or something.
It's okay, fine. After this session, the recorded session will be given to you. Okay.
Yeah,
you can,
sure. No worries.
see.
I can hear.
Yeah, Bhupal and Mohan. See, the same way we will be connecting to database. Here we will be having schema. If you select the schema, under the schema we will be having tables. For example, we have 50 tables. From those 50 tables, I need to build a Tableau report based on only 3 tables. So I need to join those 3 tables, right? Assume that these 3 tables. So orders I have. The same way I will drag and I will drop it here. Okay? This is the join. So I need to give the join. So in Tableau, by default, we will be having 4 joins: inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. I think, as you know, right, Mohan?
Yeah.
You know what is inner join, left outer join. Bhupal, do you have any idea on this?
I have ideas.
Yeah. If you don't know, you can ask me. I'll tell you. Okay. See, inner join means it will be giving only matched rows from the both tables. Left outer means by seeing the pic you can understand. It will show all the rows from left table and matched rows from the right table. If you go with right join, it will display all the rows from right table and only matched rows from the left table. full outer join means basically we won't use full outer join much. We'll be using only these three joins. Okay. Now they will tell you if you are any doubt on which join I need to select means you can ask them. Users will give us a requirement, right? You can ask them which join I can select. Okay. If you have any issue. So if you're confusing, right, either I need to select inner join or either I need to select left outer join, right outer join. So if you have these doubts, you can ask the requirement. Those who gave you a requirement, for example, user gave you a requirement means you can ask them, which join I need to select. And they will tell you appropriate join, what we have to select. And this is the join clause. We need to select the join clause. You know the join clause, right, Bhupal, Mohan?
Yeah.
We will selecting up.
Order ID maybe.
Yeah, here we don't have that. Why? Because in people we'll be having only two rows. Persons and region is there.
Names. Okay.
This is not appropriate tables. Just sample I'm telling you. Like this you can join. Now, if you want to join the third table, just drag it. See, like this you can join. Now orders, see. Orders and returns you can join like this, right? Here I can give order ID, and in market in returns also I can select order ID. You got it, right? Like this, if you can join 10 tables. Mostly I joined 13 tables here. Sorry, 15 tables I joined here. Okay. Any doubts here regarding this joining?
No doubts.
Now, if you want to join with orders with people, and this returns, sorry, orders with returns and peoples with returns means you can change like this. Now this people table is joining with orders, right? Now I want to join this people table with returns, not orders means. Just click here, go and select here. Sorry. See, here orders is there and returns is there. You can select return. In returns, what is the join class you can select. See now, change it, right? See now, orders table is joining with returns table is joining with people. You can change that. It's based on your requirement. Any doubts here, Bhupal and Mohan?
But where are you specifying whether it is like inner or outer for this one?
Yeah, this is already it's EP join, right? See, I can select if I want left outer join means I can select left outer, and this is my join clause.
Okay.
Anil, I missed that. Can you redo that, please? Sorry, I missed that point.
See, I'll tell you once again. See, up to here you understood, right, Mohan?
Yeah.
From orders, assume that this is a fact table, these two are dimension table. Okay. Now, orders, this returns and people, both tables are joined with orders. Now, my requirement is I need to join people with orders and returns with orders and people with returns. You got it, right?
Yeah.
Now, actually, this people table is joined with orders. So now I'll change now. So here orders. Under orders, all the fields will be there. Drag it down. You can select returns. You're seeing returns here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want to join this people's table with the returns table. So select appropriate join clause. See now, this returns and people are joined. If you see here. And whatever join you want, you can select. Either it may be equi or left or right. Understood?
Yeah.
Bhupal, any doubts here?
No, it's clear.
Yeah. Now see. Now I created one data source. So if you go here, you can see here, see, orders. So if you want to see any data source, you can see here, 3 tables. See, orders table is there, people table is there, and return table is there. Understood how to join, how to bring clients data or users data into Tableau. The Tableau will be having two types. In two ways you can bring the data. It may be a flat file or it may be a database. You understood, right? How to bring flat file data into Tableau or database data into Tableau.
Yes.
Okay, now I will tell you what is this live connect and an extract. Okay, I'll tell you this tomorrow. Why? Because I will try to connect to database, then I will tell you. Then you can understand clearly what is this live connect and what is this extract. Okay. Now I'll open this PPT. See, once you created, let me remove these two. Once you create a data source will be like this. And these are all the dimensions and these are all the measures. See, if you want to build a Tableau report, as I told you, it's a simple drag and drop option. It's very easy. So let me create one report. It's simple. Based on subcategory, I want to see the data. I want to see the sales. I want to see the profit in a bar chart. You can see. It's very simple, right? I have created one report within it didn't took me in the 1 minute also, right? So this is one type of report. Like this, the reports will be like this. See, this is my office reports, general analysis. Here I created one global chart. This is cross-tab report. And everything should be in a dashboard. If you come here, see, here I created 4 charts. One is global details, list details, no price part, and completed ship order line. So these 4 are different, see, like this. Now I create sheet 1, right? Now other one I will create. I'll create a pie chart. So this is one pie chart. Like this I'll create. And what is this dashboard means? Once you create a reports in sheets, then you have to drag these two into a dashboard. Then only we need to publish it in a server. Like this. You're seeing, right? All these sheets I'm bringing into a dashboard. Right? You see here, this is a dashboard. What is this? Entire thing is called one workbook. In one workbook, we'll be having data source and we'll be having sheets and we'll be having dashboards. I can create a number of dashboards and story points. I'll tell you what is story point later. Dashboard in detail I'll tell you. But you understood, right? In a Tableau workbook, what we'll be having? We'll be having data source, we'll be having sheets, we'll be having dashboards, and we'll be having story points. Got it?
Yeah.
Bupa, any doubts here?
No, it's clear. Thanks.
Okay. See now, here you can see here. These are all the, if I go to, let me delete everything. Let me clear this. See, we'll be having show me. In show me, we'll be having, these are all the Tableau default graphs. Based on the, for example, you don't know how to create a pie chart, but user asks you to create a pie chart. Just go and hover your mouse here. It will tell you. For pie charts, what we need? We need 1 or more dimensions and 1 or 2 measures. Right? You are seeing down right here. For pie charts, try 1 or more dimensions, 1 or 2 measures. So I'll drag 1 dimension here, and I'll drag 1 measure here. See, with these 2 fields, I can create n number of graphs. See, before these are enabled, right? Now, sorry, before these are disabled, now it's enabled, right?
Yeah.
I'll select pie chart. See, I created a pie chart. Got it? It's very, I'll tell you in detail in next class. Just I'm telling you just a sample. I'm showing you in a sample, okay? And see, now I will tell you. See, we'll be having Tableau desktop, Tableau products. Once you connect it to database and once you build a Tableau report, you'll be having 3 tabs: Tableau desktop, Tableau server, and Tableau reader. Mainly focus on this Tableau desktop. We won't use Tableau reader. Okay. Tableau desktop is nothing but where we create the reports. Understood? See, like this, we are creating one reports, right? This is called a Tableau desktop. We'll install Tableau desktop and we'll connect to either flat file or either database, and we will create the Tableau reports here. Once you create the Tableau reports, now these reports should be seen by users, right? I cannot send them through mail, right? Somewhere I need to save this report, means somewhere I need to publish this report. Are you getting right, Mohan and Kupa?
Yeah.
Somewhere I need to save this. So, for example, I created this report. Bhupal wants to see this report. How he can see? I cannot send through mail, right? So, if Bhupal wants to see this report, means somewhere I need to save this, right? So, that is called Tableau server. Once I published into Tableau server, then you will be having access to the Tableau server. I will provide you one link. So, if you click that link, this report will be open in Tableau server. Okay? All the Tableau dashboards or worksheets will be saved in Tableau server. From Tableau server only, you will be able to see all the reports. Okay. Any doubts here? What is Tableau desktop and Tableau server?
Okay, just got it. Yeah.
Bhupal, Mahesh, and
So
Mohan.
when you
Sorry.
say you need to give, say for example, access to Bhupal on Tableau server, does it mean
Yeah.
he need to have access to the desktop also, or it is completely isolated?
No. See, when I'm publishing into a Tableau server, I'll be having one project. Under project is nothing but like one folder. Under that folder, I'll publish my Tableau report. For that folder, you should be having access. That we will give you. For Bhupal, okay, for this user, I'll give access. So, if you are having access, then you can see it in a server. No need of, if see desktop, if desktop is not installed in your machine. Still, you can go to Tableau server and you can see the report.
Okay.
Anil, this drill down reporting, all that is available. All that functionality is available. Right?
Everything. Just today, I just told you how to connect to Factor and how to connect to database. I'll tell you in coming class. Everything.
Yeah, just asking out of interest.
Yeah, everything is there. Yeah. How does Tableau work? See, first we need to connect to either it may be flat file or either it may be a database. After that, we need to analyze and we will create the reports. Once we create the report, we need to share this. How we can share? We can share it in a server. Once I publish this in a server, from server you can download the workbook, or if you want to download in Excel sheet, means you can download the data in Excel sheet. You can download in PDF, whatever, wherever you want, you can save it. Now, this is the architecture. As I told you, the left side is C. The left side part is how we are bringing the data. Either it may be a flat file or either it may be a database. Once you connect here, see, data server, repository, cache, everything is here. See, here we will be having, once you bring your data here, you can, I didn't tell you live connection and extract. I'll tell you this Tableau architecture once I tell you live connection and extract. Is it okay? Fine, right?
Yeah.
So that you can understand. So this is okay. This is also fine. Yeah. This is how we will publish the reports. Once I created my Tableau reports here, this is my desktop. I'll create here. Then I'll publish my Tableau report, dashboard in Tableau server. From server, users can access in these ways from iPad or mobile Safari, Android, or your local machine. Like this, you can access. Okay. And these are all the roles I told you. If it is a calendar, then it will be showing in city. If it is an order date with calendar with time means it's a date. It's just a calendar means it's a date. If it is an ABC means it's a character. You can see here, right? Each and every field will be having one icon here, ABC. What is this? This is called global. So if you want to state is there, it is a global. If you want to show it in a, want to show it in a maps, you select this. These two will be open so that I can create a global map. See, this is my global map. I'll drag my state and drop it in color. I will drag my state and drop it in table. So for this field, I cannot create a global map. A global map can be created. The field you should be having this global icon. See, state. If I want to create a region means, see, I dragged here. Is my map, these two are disabled, right? Is these two are enabled? No, right? Why? Because to create a global map, your field should be in a like this. Globe you are seeing right here for state, for postal code. From those fields only you can create a global map. You cannot create for order ID, you cannot create for order priority, product ID, product name, region. You cannot create that. Understood?
Yeah.
These are all the roles and your dashboard. Once you create all the reports and your dashboard looks like this. These are all the sample dashboard which I created in my office. I'll tell you step by step. Everything I'll tell you. Okay. These are all the Tableau charts you can see. There are so many charts we'll be having. And once we create a report, we need to publish the report in server. So how you can publish and everything I'll tell you in coming classes if you are interested. Okay.
Okay. So, Anil, can I talk 1 minute? So
Yeah.
I'm not like any reporting tool like background. So what is the basic knowledge required to learn this one? Like
Basic knowledge should be like SQL. SQL should be your basic. See, for example, see, I'll show you one scenario. Why I'm saying all these things. See, I have my order date. Okay. Otherwise, I have a market here. And I have my subcategory.
Okay.
See, this is, okay, let me take month-wise order date. And I'll select month. Month-wise, I'm showing my report. You're seeing my screen, right, Madhu?
No, not. I can't.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will see the record session. No worries. I can hear you.
You're seeing, right, Bhopal Mohan?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Why I'm telling you should have basic knowledge in SQL means see. Now I have my profit here, right? Now most of the requirements for cross-tab, this report we called it as a cross-tab report. Okay. So this is the report which I'm showing here. This is called a cross-tab or text report. We call it as a text report or a cross-tab report. Now for this, I want to see specifically those values I'm having negatives. I need to see in a red color. Okay.
Okay.
From 0 to 7,000, in between 0 to 7,000, I should see in a blue color. And above 7,000, I should see in a green color. Now we have a requirement like this. Basically, we'll be getting requirements like this only for cross-tab reports. Okay. Now, for that colors, I don't have any logic, right? I have only profit. If it is a negative, then this number should be shown in red color. If it is less than 7,000, it should show in a blue color. Greater than 7,000 should be shown in a green color. So I don't have any column like this. So I need to create my own column for a report purpose, for my requirement purpose. I need to create my own column, right? I need to show, right? So I'm creating a new column C. Create a calculator field. These are all the functions. Of course, we don't use all. I'll tell you what are all the main functions we use in Tableau. I'll tell you, like 20 to 30 functions. I'll tell you. Now I need to write an if statement. If you don't know how to write an if statement, just click here. It will tells you how to write if statement. What is it? I'll tell you in detail later. Now I'll write if statement. Say if sum of profit is greater than 7,000, 7K, then green. Else if sum of profit this is greater than or equal to less than 7,000, and so why? Because here in Tableau between function is not there. That's why I'm using and. Greater than or equal to 0. Then show as a blue color. Else part, else is nothing but less than 0, right? Else show me red. You understood this logic, Gopal and Mohan?
Yeah.
If sum of sales, oh, 1 second, the calculation is, and I can't compare float and stock. Greater than the sum of profit, greater than equal to 7,000, then green. Else if sum of profit is greater than 7,000 and yeah, the calculation is valid. You can see here. See, if it is in greater than 7,000, show me in green color. If it is in between 0 to 7,000, show me blue color. If it is less than 0 means negative value, show me red color. So this is my requirement, right? See now, profit logic I created. So drag and drop it here. See, now it's very easy, right? Yes, I told you Tableau is very easy. Blue, I can select blue color. For green, I can select green color. For red, I can select red color. Now you can see here, right? Wherever you find negatives, you'll be having red color. Wherever you find 0 to 7,000, you'll be having blue color. And greater than 7, it will be green color. So for this, we achieved this. What we did, we wrote one function calculation, right? That's why I'm saying you should have some basic knowledge on SQL. Okay?
Okay.
Understood, Gopal, Mohan?
Yeah.
Like this, we'll be having so many requirements. So we need to use some Tableau functions here. So the Tableau functions is nothing but say SQL functions only. If statements, case statement, some. There are so many functions, I'll tell you. So.
And do we need any PLSQL also? Like
No need.
Okay.
See, up to now, I haven't used any PLSQL in my career. Till date, I haven't used. Okay, today I'll stop here. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Yeah, what are the what is the duration of this course?
Yeah, I'll tell you. See, 1 second, I'll show you. See, these are all the topics I will cover. First, Tableau introduction, connecting to data, fact file and database, custom SQL. What is joins, live connect and extract. And this is topic 2. These are all the formattings. Topic 3, you'll be having all this. Topic 4, grouping. So here, up to topic 3, these are all basics. From topic 4, you'll be having main topics, groupings, topic 5, 6, and totally we have 14 topics. Okay, the duration will be like 25 days. 25 hours. Daily, if you take 1 hour, then it will be like 25 hours. It may be 25 to 30 in between there.
Okay, and what are the timings? Like what timings you are planning? You are available?
Then you can discuss, right? You, Bhopal, and Madhavi, you 3 can discuss, and whatever available timing for you. I'm okay with early morning my time or after 9 evening my time. I'm okay for that. From early morning 7 o'clock I can be available.
Maybe
Indian
evening
time, I'm saying.
session suits me. Early morning means it's midnight for me. So maybe.
So you can discuss with Suman, Bhopal, Madhavi.
Okay.
You 3 can discuss and you can intimate to Suman. Suman will tell me. He will pass me the message.
Okay.
Suman, you can discuss with Bhopal, Madhavi, and Mohan regarding the time.
Okay, sir.
So any doubts still, Bhopal, Madhavi?
No, no, yeah. Just about the timings only. This timing, so India time it's 9 o'clock okay for me, but only Tuesday and Wednesday I may not be available. Even weekends also I'm okay. I'm fine. Like Saturday, Sunday also. Like about other people I don't know. They are also from UK, I think. So
Yeah.
yeah. So,
I'm
like,
okay with the evening 9 o'clock. That's absolutely fine for me.
okay, okay. So even weekends also fine, like Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay. And if you want, I'll take 2-3 sessions. Like what are all the interview questions they'll ask? Because I'll be taking interviews in my organization. Okay.
Okay.
I'll help you in every aspect. If you want any resumes and Tableau resumes, I'll provide you.
Yeah, I think we might need that, Anil. But let's start.
First let us finish our topics. Then I'll take mock interviews for you only if you want.
Okay, okay.
Okay, then discuss with your mom. Discuss and yeah.
So I don't have the Suman's number. So how to communicate?
Suman.
Yeah, Mohan, you have Madhukar's number now?
Yes, yeah, I've got his number.
Yeah, you can talk with him also.
All right, okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay then, sure.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Bhopal. Okay, Madhavi. Okay, Mohan.